Piney again, and have you ever wondered why Apple replaces their headphone jacks for another speaker? Well, I have the answer for you. If you bring your iPhone to any of our stores, we will give you a headphone jack. That's right, a headphone jack. So let's see how many iPhone users feel about this. You, get over here.
Okay.
So, how do you feel about no headphone jack on your iPhone?
That's how I feel.
Okay. Next person, please. So how do you feel about no headphone jack in your iPhone?
I don't have an iPhone, I have a Samsung. Samsung is so much better
Why would you have a Samsung?
because it's so much better and iPhone is really is probably the worst brand for phones. I mean, Nokia is better.
Okay, let's watch the process in action. Now you can use your headphone jack for any headphones or earbuds.